How are you all? Today we are going through the sample paper set 1, and first we are going to do the MCQ question. Here the first question is the point which lies on x-axis at a distance of 3 units in the positive direction of x-axis is. That is the question. 4 options are there. This is MCQ type. You can score 1 mark. So here first of all you want to know, you should know what are the x and y axis. In the graph there is a ordinate, what, x and y, right? So in the graph this horizontal line is the x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. And on x-axis right side is positive numbers and negative, and on the left side it is negative, there are negative numbers. And on y-axis up part is positive numbers and down part is negative numbers. So here they are given the point which lies on a x-axis at a distance of 3 units. So here x is 3 units. X is here from 0 to 3. And they didn't specify any value for y-axis. So y is 0. So what is the answer? Xy is 3, 0. This is the answer. So here option is C. Hope you understand. Next question is, the length of the sides of a triangle are 5 cm, 7 cm and 8 cm. You have to find the area of the triangle. So you have to know, if the length of 3 sides are given, what is the area? Area is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is the semi-perimeter of the triangle and a, b, c are the sides of the triangle. Here given a is equal to 5 cm, b is equal to 7 cm, c is equal to 8 cm. So you have to put these values. First you have to find this s. We don't know what is s. So there is a formula for finding s. S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2 equal to, substitute these values of ABC in S. So you got 5 plus 7 plus 8 by 2 is equal to 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. 20 by 2 is equal to 20 divided by 2 is what? 10 centimeter. So you got S. Now you should substitute the value of S in the equation, this formula. Area is equal to, we want to find the area. So area is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is equal to root of s what? 10. 10 into s is 10. 10 minus 5 into 10 minus b 7 into s minus c. That is 10 minus 8 is equal to 10 into 10 minus 5, 5, 10 minus 7, 3, 10 minus 8, 2 is equal to, you want to multiply these all numbers, so you got 300. We can split, you don't know, we can't find at a time the value for root 300. So you want to split these numbers, you can write root of 100 into 3 because we know the root of 100. Okay, so you can split these values, root of 100 into 3, and write root of a into root of b is equal to root of ab. This is the property of multiplication. By that property we can write this is equal to root of 100 into root of 3 is equal to root of 100 what? 10. Correct? Root of 100 is 10 because 10 into 10 is equal to 100. But there is no value for root 3. We can't find. We can find by we can't find this. You know root 3 is equal to one value is there 1.73 like that. But we can't find now. We don't need to write that value. We only need to split these numbers. Root of 100 into root 3 is equal to root 100 is 10 root 3 centimeter square. The area is expressed in the form centimeter square. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is root 3. Here this one, here root is going, this is the answer 10 root 3. Some mistake while I am copying the question. Here is 1 root 3. Okay, so the answer is 10 root 3. 10 root 3 centimeter square. Option is B. Okay, this option. I think you understand. I think you understand. You got the question. Third question is, in the figure, O is the center of the circle. If angle ABC is equal to 20 degree, then angle AOC is equal to what? Okay, here given angle ABC, this angle is equal to 20 degree. We have to find angle AOC, this angle with center O. So we have one theorem. Angle at the center of the circle is twice angle of the circumference subtended by the same arc. Okay, here the center of the circle, here an angle at the center of the circle. This angle is twice what? This is the circle. This angle lies on the circumference of the circle, right? So from this theorem we got angle AOC, that is the angle at the center of the circle. Angle AOC is equal to twice angle of the circumference subtended by the same arc. Which is that angle? This angle. Okay, angle ABC. So twice angle ABC is equal to twice, here given angle ABC is equal to 20 degree. So 2 into 20 degree is equal to 40 degree. So here the answer is 40 degree. Okay. Now next question. The value of x raised to p minus q into x raised to q minus r into x raised to r minus p is equal to what? Okay, so we have to find the value of this expression. So here the operation is multiplication. Okay, so we know x raised to a, if there is multiplication, x raised to a into x raised to b is equal to x raised to a plus b. If there is multiplication, we should add the exponents. we should add the not exponent, power. Okay, the exponent is same and we should add these powers with, okay, x raised to a plus b. So with these expression, with this equation, we can write this expression as x raised to, because all exponent is same, x raised to, so we can add all these together, p minus q plus q minus r plus r minus p. So is equal to x raised to, then we want to simplify, we have to simplify this equation. Here this plus p minus p, this we can cut. Okay, we know any exponent with positive and negative value is 0, right? Any exponent with positive and negative is 0. If it is plus x minus x is equal to 0. So with this we can write plus p minus p cancel, minus q plus q cancel, same exponent with opposite value minus negative. Okay, then plus r minus r, that also 0. So all these values are 0. So what we got is equal to x raised to 0 is equal to 1, because we know any exponent with the power 0 is equal to 1. So here x raised to 0 is equal to 1. So which is the option? Option D is the answer. Right? You got? Okay. Then go to the next question. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1 is a solution of the linear equation, then which of these expression is true? What they say, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 is a solution. That means we want to substitute these values of x and y in all these expression, and we should find LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so we can go through each of these expression. First of all, option A, 2x plus y equal to 0. So you have to put x equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 in this expression. We got 2 into 2, because x equal to 2, plus y, here plus minus 1, y is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0, and equal to 2 into 2, 4, plus this plus minus 1 is equal to 0. This is LHS, this is RHS, which implies 4 plus minus 1, that is plus and minus goes to minus. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, which is not equal to 0. So here LHS not equal to RHS, which implies this equation is not correct. This x equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1 is not a solution of this equation. Okay, then go to next option, option B, x plus 2y equal to 0. So substitute the values of x equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 in this equation. We got 2 plus 2 into y is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies 2 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So 2 plus minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies plus and minus goes to minus. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies here 0 is equal to 0. So here LHS also got 0, RHS also got 0. So this equation is correct. So x equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1 is a solution of this equation. Okay. So already we got the answer. So no need to go through the next equation, but we can check if it is correct or not. Okay. So what is C? X plus 2y is equal to 4. But here we already find x plus 2y is equal to 0. If we give the values of x equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1 in this equation, we will get 0. So no need to find this. Okay, this equation is wrong. And next one, 2x plus y is equal to 5. This also we find before. 2x plus y is in the expression 2x plus y equal to 0. We got it is equal to 3, not equal to 5. It is equal to 3. So this also not correct. Okay. So what is the answer? X equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1 is a solution of the linear equation x plus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, you got? Next, next question is, if x minus 3 is a factor of x square minus ax minus 15, then a is equal to what? Here given x minus 3 is a factor of x square minus ax minus 15. So what it means? That means x minus 3, if x minus 3 is a factor, then x is equal to 3 is a solution of the equation x square minus ax minus 15. So if we put x equal to 3 in the solution, we got that RHS equal to 0. If one number is a solution of this equation, then this LHS, that x square minus ax minus 15 is equal to 0. If x equal to 3, then 3 square minus a into 3 minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, so here 3 square 9 minus a into 3 3a minus 15 is equal to 0. That is, let me rearrange these numbers. We can write the variable first and the numbers last. Okay, so here minus 3 plus 9 minus 15 is equal to 0, which implies minus 3a plus 9 minus 15. Here if plus and minus comes, we should subtract and write the sign of greater number. Okay, we should subtract and write the sign of greater number. So here when we subtract, we got 6 and the sign of greater number is negative, because here 15 is the greater number. So we got minus 6. So negative 3a minus 6 is equal to 0. That is minus 3a. We should transpose all the values other than the variable to the other side, RHS. So here minus 3a is equal to, we should transpose all the other numbers to the other side. So here 0 minus 6, if when minus 6 goes to other side, it comes plus positive. If it is positive, while we transposing, it comes negative. If negative, it comes positive. If multiplication, it comes division. If division, it comes multiplication. Okay, so minus 3a is equal to 0. Minus 6 when comes to this side, it will be plus 6. So 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. That means minus 3a is equal to 6. And we have to find the value of a. So we put only a here and transpose all other values to other side. So here into 3 and this negative 3 into a. So while we transposing these 3, it comes division, because here its operation is multiplication. So here a is equal to 6 into 3. While we transposing, it comes division, 6 divided by 3, and here 3 has one sign also, negative sign. So 6 by minus 3, it is equal to 2, and sign also here negative sign. Okay, because plus divided by negative, here sign here is equal to negative, that's why this negative also comes here. So what is the answer? Answer is B, negative 2. You got the answer? Okay, thank you. Then wait for the next episode. If you like my video, please share, like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.